Construction, Masonry, and Design. Just want to walk you around this beautiful pizza oven we just finished. This is the big boy, the 2G100. Let's check this thing out. This is separate from their outdoor kitchen over by the pool, so we just did a couple bar staging tables off the ends here. Some nice storage underneath. I'm going to put some baker's racks in there. Let's check out these tops. This is a light oak. We matched some of their tile there. It's kind of the theme going on here. Topped it off with some quartzite gold rush tumbled. Beautiful mantle. I love natural stone mantles. Match some ledge for our little fan. Yeah, this is a nice little addition. They can have bar stools off both ends, or just full buffet going where everybody's walking up and just grabbing their food. Just beautiful. Tuck some little drains going out to the back, because this whole patio drains this way. Zero standing water here after a rainy day. It's super important. Again, thanks for coming by the channel, checking out what we do. Everything we do is full masonry and built to last. We are GPT Construction, Masonry and Design. And remember, always